In this ManyChat template tour, I'm going to show you a messenger bot for Amazon sellers. So what's going to happen in this messenger bot is first, they're going to get a promo code. So you're going to give them a promo code to buy your product on Amazon. And then after they buy that product, then you're going to follow up and ask them, hey, would you like to give us a review? Or basically, you're going to ask them how was their experience with the product. If they didn't like their experience, then they're going to tell you. If they did like the experience, then you're going to push them to leave a review on Amazon. So if you would like to get this template, then head over to bit.ly/mctemplates. That's bit.ly/mctemplates. If you have not yet gotten our free PDF cheat sheet and video walkthrough covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have, then you need to head over to bit.ly/mc cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/mc cheat sheet. We're going to send it to you in a Facebook message. So you got to make sure that you're signed into Messenger. And then once that message window opens up, type in the word learn, and then that will guarantee that you get access to the PDF download and the video walkthrough. So let's go ahead now and jump into this Amazon sellers review messenger bot. Okay, so here we are inside of ManyChat. Inside the growth tools section, it all starts with a growth tool, and this template actually comes with two growth tools. It comes with the JSON Facebook ads growth tool, and it comes with the Messenger ref URL growth tool. So when they opt in, they're going to receive this message right here, this little GIF of this dog waving, and it's going to say, hey there, are you ready to receive your promo code for X% off? You can put in whatever percentage off you want to say there, and then they're going to click on heck yes, and it's going to send them this second message right here. It's going to say, great, use the promo code below and make sure to use it soon because it expires in X time frame. Now you can easily change this if you don't want to push urgency and say that it expires soon, or you can make up whatever kind of expiration date that you want to have. Then there's going to be a quick 2-second typing delay. Now you can easily change that typing delay just by clicking on it. And then you have this little GIF right here of the minions celebrating that they're about to go shopping. This message right here then gives them the promo code. The reason why we put the promo code in its own little message here is because they can hold their thumb on this message and easily copy that promo code. So they're going to copy that promo code, click on go shopping, head over to your Amazon store, and that is going to cover it for the first little part of this message flow. Now after they get the promo code, then there's going to be a smart delay for 7 days, and then it's going to start them into another message flow following up to see if they had the chance to actually use that promo code. So after that 7 days passes, they're going to get this message right here. Hey there, just checking in with you to see if you used your promo code yet. Did you place an order? Now if they say, no, I did not place an order, then they're going to get this message right here, right? Clicks no, sends this message. Okay, if you'd still like to use it, use it. We're going to link it below, so let's get you to use it, all right? So you can word it however you want. You can also tell them how to unsubscribe because you want to make sure that you are being very easygoing and you're not trying to annoy them, basically. Also, a little insider tip, this dotted line and all this text above this dotted line, you're going to want to delete this. This is us giving you insight into how to format this message and just kind of us giving you a little bit of helpful hints along the way. So again, you give them the promo code and then you link them over to where they can use the promo code. Then another smart delay is going to happen and it's going to delay things for 7 days. Now you can easily change this delay to be 3 days, 5 days, however long you want to have the delay for. So that delay is going to go and then they're going to be sent this first message again. Hey there, just checking in with you to see if you used the promo code yet. Or if they say yes finally, then they're going to be tagged, placed order, and they're going to be sent this message right here. The GIF of the guy giving the thumbs up, and it's going to say, awesome, what did you think? Now, if they say could be better, then it is going to tag them potential unhappy customer so that you have your audience segmented and organized, and then it's going to send them this message right here. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me about your experience? Now, this is a user input field. They put in their information, and it will be saved there, and then it's also set to notify the admins once they fill out that field. Then they're going to receive this GIF right here, and it's going to say, we'll get back to you shortly to try to make this right. Thanks for your feedback, stuff like that. If they say it's great and they love the product, they're going to get sent this message right here. saying, great, I'm so glad. Would you be so kind to leave a short review about the product and your experience? If they say no thanks, they're going to receive this message saying, no worries, thanks anyway. If they say, I'll leave a review, then they are going to be tagged, clicked, I'll leave a review, right? They'll be tagged this one right here, and then they'll receive this message right here. Perfect, just click the button below and find your recent order when you're logged into your Amazon account and leave a review for us. So then that's going to link them over. This is a special link that goes directly to their orders, and they'll be able to leave you that Amazon review. Now, we have a special little rule, a conditional rule set up so that if they click on I'll leave a review and they are tagged this little click to I'll leave a review, but they don't actually click this button saying that they actually went over to Amazon to write the review, then they will be sent this secondary flow, which I'll show you right now. But first, again, so if they are first tagged, clicked I'll leave review, but they are not tagged this secondary tag, clicked ready to leave review, then they're going to be sent this message flow. Now this is a conditional rule that we set up over here in automation and rules. Basically, one day after that whole thing happened where they said they would leave a review, but they didn't actually leave the review or click through to leave the review, then they're going to be sent this flow message right here. So it's going to start with saying, hey, first name, I hope you're well. Have you had a chance yet to leave us a review on Amazon? If they say, I haven't yet, they're going to get this message right here. No worries. I'm sure you're busy. Just click the button below when you're ready. If they say, I did, then they're going to be sent this message right here. The guy's jumping up on the table. Chandler from Friends. You can easily change these GIFs if you don't like them. You just click on it and upload your own. And then the message saying, thanks so much, first name, and thank you again for your purchase. And that is pretty much the end of the flow. So to recap it all really quick, you're giving them a promo code, you're following up to make sure that they use the promo code, and then you're saying, hey, how was your experience with the product? They are then saying if it's a positive or a negative experience. If it's a negative experience, you're collecting that reason why, and then you can follow up with them. If it's a positive experience, you're pushing them over to Amazon to leave that review, and you're reminding them to leave that review if they didn't actually click through to leave that review. So again, if you want to get this template, head over to bit.ly/MC templates. We have a whole bunch of templates on our website. You can browse through all of them and find the best ones that work for you. This one is called the Amazon Reviews template. If you have not yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet PDF download and video walkthrough, then you need to head over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. We'll send it to you in a Facebook message, so you gotta log into Facebook Messenger and you gotta type the keyword learn when that message window pops up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.